My dear students, welcome back. A very good morning to one and all. Coming to the artificial intelligence course, today we will discuss about the third concept of intelligent agents. So, what is the meaning of intelligent agents? What are the first two parts in the intelligent agents? Already we have covered. So, what is the first part? Agents and environments. The second part is good behavior, the concept of rationality. These two concepts already we have covered in the previous sessions. If you want any information, please go through those YouTube links. Okay, in today's session we will concentrate on the nature of environments. What is the nature of environment? What is the relation between agents and environment? That is the first concept. So in that concept we are covered what is the meaning of intelligence, what is the meaning of agent, what is the relation between agents and environments, what are the example agents. Next, in that point of view we will consider one vacuum cleaner world example. We will assume that the vacuum cleaner world is an agent. So in that point of view we will cover what is the working of vacuum cleaner world, like that. After that we will discuss one small example program also, how to implement the agent function. Okay, so what are the rules in the intelligent agents? That is our first concept. Coming to the good behavior, the concept of rationality, in that we covered what is the meaning of rational agent, why the rational agent, what is the meaning of performance measure, what is the rationality, the vacuum cleaner world is rational agent or not. We will discuss those concepts in the second part. Now the third part is the nature of environments. The third part of intelligent agent is nature of environments. Okay, actually here we will concentrate on PEAS representation. What is the relation between PEAS representation? What is the nature of environments? In today's session we will concentrate on those concepts. So nature of environments. Actually, up to now we have a definition of rationality. Now we are ready to think about how to build the rational agents. What are the rules we will follow? Okay, so we must think about task environments, which are essentially the problems to which rational agents are the solutions. So now we are ready to think about how to build the rational agents. So in the first two concepts we have studied about what is the meaning of agent, what is the meaning of intelligent agent, what is the rules, why we are using the rational agents. Okay, those things are covered. In today's session we will thinking about how to build the rational agent. What are the considerations we want at the time of implementing the rational agents? So in our discussion of the rationality of the simple vacuum cleaner agent, what we will consider at the time of vacuum cleaner agent. So in our discussion of the rationality of the simple vacuum cleaner agent, what are the considerations? Now we will see. So what are the considerations? Once we will go to the back. So please observe that carefully. So the third line, actually here our aim is to decide the vacuum cleaner world is either rational or not. That depends. First we need to say that what is the performance measure. Okay, what is the second, what is the known about the environment. Third point is what are the sensors, what are the actuators. These 4 points are very very important to decide the agent is either rational agent or not. Okay, so now also in this particular nature of environments we will covered same 4 points. Okay, now here please observe, we had to specify the performance measure, the environment, and the agent actuators and sensors. So these are actually minded, we call this is as PEAS. Here P stands for performance measure, E stands for environment, A stands for actuators, S stands for sensors. Now we will compare with how to relate these are the rational agents. Okay, so actually the PEAS is a type of model on which an artificial intelligent agent works upon. Okay, so when we define an artificial intelligent agent or rational agent, then we can group its properties under PEAS representation model. That is the relation between rational agent and PEAS representation. Capital P stands for performance measure, E stands for environment, A stands for actuators, S stands for sensors. Actually now we are at the stage of ready to think about building the rational agents. So definitely we will mind it these 4 points. Okay, please remember my dear students, at the time of thinking about the building rational agents, we will remember that 4 points. What is the performance measure? The meaning of performance measure is what is the successful rate. So for that point of view, definitely we will mind it what is the objective of that particular rational agent. So next, second one is environment, third one is actuators, fourth one is sensors. So here the performance measure is the main objective of the success of an agent's behavior. That is perfectly very important point, because we will implement one agent means definitely for that the agent is definitely doing the right things. So that is our main agenda also. Now we will discuss one small example how to related the PEAS representation for vacuum cleaner. What is the performance measure? What is the objective of vacuum cleaner? Cleanness, time taken in cleaning, battery life, number of moves. Definitely we will consider these measures at the implementing the rational agent of vacuum cleaner. Why we are using the vacuum cleaners? For purpose of cleanness. Definitely we will consider definitely the cleaning is completed within the time. Definitely that lines are estimated, the battery life. So those are the considered as performance measure. Next, what is the environment for vacuum cleaner? Either room, table, floor, like that. Okay, so that is the relation between environment and vacuum cleaner. What are the actuators involved in the vacuum cleaner? Wheels, different brushes, vacuum extractor. Okay, based on our opinions we will consider those are the actuators. Okay, the other parts are also actuators. Okay, sensors. What is the sensors of vacuum cleaners? Camera, dirt detection sensor, cliff sensor, bump sensors, infrared wall sensors. So these are the sensors of vacuum cleaner. This is the PEAS representation for the vacuum cleaner. Okay, my dear students, please observe carefully. Here the performance measure is the main objective of our proposal rational agent. Okay, depending on that we will start the implementation of that particular rational agent. Okay, now we will see another example. Second example, that is self-driving cars. What are the necessity things we want at the time of implementing the rational agent of self-driving cars? So also called as taxi driver. So what is the performance measure? Here we will consider the self-driving car. What is the objective of the self-driving car? Safety is important. Time maintenance is important. Legal driver. Okay, legal driving is very important. Comfortability, So those are the objectives of our self-driving car agent. What is the environment here? Roads, other vehicles. Here the driver observe the other vehicles, road signs, pedestrian. What are the actuators? Steering, accelerator, brakes, signals, horn. What are the sensors? Camera, GPS, speedometer, odometer, accelerometer, sonar. So I hope all of you understand my point. What is the relation between PEAS representation and rational agent? Okay, so PEAS representation is very important for the any rational agent implementation. Now we are at the now we are yet to think about the how to implement the rational agents at that stage. Now we are in, so that's why here we will consider PEAS representation. So now we see another examples also. Here I will consider 4 examples. First one is medical diagnosis. Here the objective of medical diagnosis, healthy patient. What is the aim of medical diagnosis? What is the objective? Healthy patient and minimized cost. Here what is the environment? Patient, hospital, staff. What are the actuators? Tests, treatments. What is the sensors? Here I will consider keyboard. How to communicate with the patient? Here the robot is communicated with the help of keyboard. Okay, so coming to the second example, part picking robot. Here the performance measure of part picking robot is percentage of parts in correct pins. What is the environment here? Conveyor belt with parts and bins. What are the actuators? Jointed arms, hand is the actuators. What are the sensors? Camera and joint angle sensors. Okay, so coming to the third example, refinery controller. Here what is the performance measure of refinery control? Maximize purity, yield, safety. What is the relation with the environment? How to communicate with the environment? What are the considerations at the time of refinery operators? What are the actuators involved in it? Valves, pumps, heaters, displays. So what are the sensors here? Temperature, pressure, chemical sensors. Coming to the last point, last example, here we will consider the interactive English tutor, an agent. What is the objective of English tutor? Definitely maximize students score on test. So here environment is set of students, testing agency. Here the actuators involved in that iterative English tutor as display exercises, suggestions, corrections, keyboard entry. Okay, so keyboard entry is the sensors. So these are the examples of PEAS representation of different task environments. Here in this particular session we will consider the example agents as self-driving cars, vacuum cleaners, medical diagnosis, part picking robot, refinery controller, interactive English tutor. Okay, this is the information about nature of environments. Thank you very much for watching. In the next session we will discuss about what are the properties of task environments. Until now, take care. Bye.